Best deals.
1. Mortar and pestle set. Crafted by skilled artisans using natural marble, the spherical pestle fits comfortably in your hand and allows you to grind spices, herbs, nuts and seeds with ease. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Organizer. Simply unzip the underside and fold flat to store. And open the zip when ready for use. Easy to store at home and carry in travel. Useful to organize bras, panties, vests, underwear, ties, handkerchiefs and other small garments. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Portable blender. Equipped with a 40W low noise DC motor, this mini blender is perfect for blending soft fruits, mixing powders, or making smoothies and shakes with ease. High-quality stainless steel blades provide faster, smoother blends for creamy shakes, protein drinks, and refreshing juices. Comes with a 300 ml unbreakable polycarbonate jar, lightweight body, and USB charging for hassle-free use at home, office, or travel. Features a double press switch. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Masala box. Is made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability. The steel design also adds a sleek, modern touch to your kitchen decor. Box comes with 8 individual containers, perfect for storing a variety of spices. Each container is spacious, allowing you to keep a good quantity of each spice. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Juicer machine. The torque-packed single auger crushers produce at slow RPMs, extracting up to 99% juice yield while preserving essential vitamins, enzymes, and flavor, perfect for vibrant, nutrient-dense juice every time. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Container. It can store large quantities of food grains without occupying much space. Steel dabba has great strength. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Butter dish. Transparent airtight lid protects butter from dust, odors, and moisture while keeping it fresh for longer. Fits standard-sized butter blocks and provides a smooth surface for easy spreading without mess. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Saucepan. Tri-ply design includes an aluminum core for consistent and even heating. Food will not stick and burn. Suitable for all cooktops, including induction, and safe for oven use. Dishwasher safe and non-reactive surface makes cleanup a breeze. Riveted stainless steel handles provide a secure grip and stay cool during cooking. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Capsule. Made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability, rust resistance, and easy maintenance for long-term use. Features a secure, airtight steel lid that locks in freshness and prevents moisture, contaminants, and odors from affecting your stored items. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Dosa tawa. Seamless inside wall with no rivets prevents accumulation of food residue, keeping it hygienic even after continual usage. Soft touch handle give you a firm grip even with wet hands. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Sari hanger. Unique anti-slip design locks your garment in place and prevents slippage from the edges. Perfect for velvet pant hangers or any garment. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Grinder. Enjoy consistently fine and even grounds for all your coffee needs, ensuring the perfect texture and flavor every time. This grinder's large capacity allows for making up to 10 to 12 cups of coffee per grind, ideal for busy mornings or when serving guests. Effortlessly grind with just one press, coupled with a safety feature that ensures the grinder operates only when the lid is securely attached, providing peace of mind for busy moms. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Pressure cooker. The safety valve is located under the lid handle bar so that when it operates the steam is safely deflected downwards. The gasket has minimum exposure to steam inside the cooker. Fixed sturdy pivot does not put pressure on the plastic handles. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Canister. Constructed from food-grade, corrosion-resistant stainless steel, this canister is built to last. It's designed to withstand everyday use. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Popsicle mold are made of BPA-free, FDA-approved PP plastic. So, it keeps you and your loved ones healthy. They are dishwasher safe and reusable, great for the environment. You can make homemade ice pops as natural as you like. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Infuser water bottle will help you drink your favorite fruit-infused detox brews in style. This travel bottle looks sleek, stylish and modern. This unique bottle helps you make your own style statement. This stylish-looking infuser bottle will get people around you talking. Sleek and stylish design of this bottle will get you a lot of attention. This bottle guarantees attention from your friends and colleagues. Unique design and finishing gives this bottle a premium look. Bottle's infuser rod comes with a detachable and reusable polar ice gel ball. This polar ball is very easy to use. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Organizer clips. These cable clips feature a diameter of 9 mm, ideal for managing various cables like USB cords, charging cables, and HDMI wires. Equipped with durable, double-sided adhesive that ensures a firm hold on surfaces like walls, desks, tiles, glass, wood, and plastic. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Electric Spin Scrubber. Cordless electric spin scrubber for home cleaning. Powered cleaning brush with rechargeable battery for efficient scrubbing of tiles, bathtubs, showers, grout, and floors. 8 replaceable brush heads included. Variety of brush heads: bristle, sponge, cloth for tackling different surfaces and corners. Dual adjustable speeds. 2 speed settings allow selection of low or high rotation to suit surface type and cleaning task. Adjustable handle length. Telescopic handle extends reach for cleaning high or hard to reach areas without bending. Water resistant design. Sealed brush head housing suitable for use in wet environments. Do not immerse entire handle in water. Includes large bristle brush, small bristle brush, pointed bristle brush, fiber sponge, sponge, wool cloth, small cloth brush, large cloth brush. Cordless electric power brush effortlessly cleans home, kitchen, bathroom, windows, tiles and car in seconds with high-speed spinning action. 48 cm extendable stainless steel handle reaches high, low spots, flexi heads tackle corners, grout lines and tight spaces easily. Fast USB-C charging, long battery life, 2 speed modes for light, deep cleaning on stubborn dirt, grease and grime. Perfect for bathroom tiles, kitchen counters, shower walls, car interiors, floors, replaces manual scrubbing. Detachable 8 brush heads can be easily cleaned and replaced when needed. Electric Spin Scrubber is a cordless cleaning brush which helps to clean bathrooms, bathtubs, stone tile floors, grout, and grooves effortlessly and quickly. You can adjust the length by easily rotating the handle and pulling it out. You can also remove and install the handle and extension rod. You can easily clean every corner of the house without having to bend over or kneel down. Electric Spin Scrubber adopts a tight protection design. It can be used in a humid environment or washed by dipping the brush head in water. You can easily clean shower bathrooms, bathtubs, stone tile floors, grout, and grooves. Cordless design allows you to get rid of rope restrictions, further improving cleaning speed and achieving efficient deep cleaning. Note: do not immerse the entire handle in water. The internal motor system of the electric spin scrubber has 2 speeds, low speed -250 rpm and high speed -350 rpm. The default speed is low when the brush is started, and long press for 2 seconds to easily switch to high speed. The dual speed design allows you to choose the cleaning method that works for you, eliminating the traditional manual cleaning and saving you valuable time. Battery capacity up to 2500 mAh. The battery takes 3 to 4 hours to fully charge and will work for up to 90 minutes on a full charge. Brush is a compact, powerful cleaning tool that helps clean light dirt and stubborn grime. It's ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, tiles, shoes, garden furniture, and more. Equipped with a high-performance motor, the brush rotates at a steady 215 rpm, delivering constant power for scrubbing tough stains and greasy surfaces. Comes with various easy-to-swap attachments including a bristle brush, detail brush, pad holder, non-scratch pad, and heavy-duty pad to clean different surfaces like glass, metal, leather, and tile. Enjoy the freedom of cordless cleaning. The brush charges via a micro USB cable and offers hassle-free use with no wires getting in the way. Designed to clean tight spots like taps, shower corners, and narrow joints. The compact design and detail brush make it perfect for deep, targeted cleaning. From scrubbing white sneakers and tire rims to cleaning ovens, patios, and furniture, this brush is your all-in-one helper for everyday and heavy-duty cleaning. Product link is given in the 18th link.